you can use your own analysis. If you don't have your own analysis, follow the analysis of any one person. As you mentioned, you are following the research of Shrikant.
Definitely.
Then I'm very much sure that you cannot make a loss. Because the simple thing, in last 2 months, we have given number of calls. But the strike ratio is more than 70%. Why? Because we are following the levels. We mentioned in our report. Have you read the report of 2 weeks back? When we have given that the market has broken the important level of 5565. And from here we can even expect the level of 5950. If you can, you just go and check the reports because the reports are there. We mentioned that very clearly, that above 5565, the market has even strength of reaching the levels of 5950. So just forget everything, buy call options. In case if there is a decline in the market, just go long in the market. That was the statement. So it is not, I'm mentioning because we went right. It is because that we have seen a lot of our clients, they enters with the direction that we gives to them, but they exit based on their own opinions, based on their own understanding, based on their own losses or views, which is totally wrong. If you want to trade, you possess your own knowledge or follow anyone's advice thoroughly. Then only you will end up with making very good money. Please follow the levels and please follow the research. Please read the research. Please try to point out what are the important points and then you sit there. Because finally it's a game of money. Okay. And I'm sure that if you just fail to follow that particular research, you will end up with making losses only.
So whatever it may be, what is the future course of market?
If you are frustrated with the futures, and if you want to go for say like options, I would say that it is not right to go. It is not right to switch your strategies all the time. But still, if you are say like focusing more on now, if you want to focus more on the option side, then my sincere advice is to just buy the call options or buy put options according to the trend of the market instead of say like writing to them. Because if you go and write the call or put options, you will end up with making huge losses. So it's the very first and foremost that advice I want to give to you. For options, then you need to read the report properly. If there is any longer view on the trend, then you can buy the call options. Like if the market is going to say like reach the level of 6200 in next 2-3 months, you can go and buy out of money call options. And you can sit on that particular options for next say like 2 months and see the returns. Like that. Then you have to work on the trend, the likely trend, and that trend should be the bigger one. Otherwise you will end up in paying up the option prices to the market.
And one more question is, what do you say about Tata Motors? Tata Motors. I'm a frequent trader in Tata Motors, but I have lost so much of lakhs in Tata Motors only. That's what I'm asking this question, please. So what do you say about
I think in
Tata
last
Motors?
2-3 months, the calls that we have given on the Tata Motors, they all went 100% right. But what I want to say here is that, see, Tata Motors is the very strongest one right now from this auto segment. They are doing much better than expectations, not only in India but across all the say like parts of the country or parts of the world. In my sense, the stock is heading for the level of minimum 1500 in next say like 2-3 months. Any declines from current levels, currently it is trading at 1250 and it is chasing a lot because of rise in the crude prices. But just don't look at all these things. In case if the stock comes down to say like 1200, you can invest, or you can say like even buy out of money call options. And but you have to hold that option for at least next 2 months, because the result of that this particular company comes at the end of the month, right? And if you want to invest, you can always invest in this stock because the stock is certainly not going to sustain at these levels. It will quote somewhere around 1500, 1600 in the near future.
It was a.
Lastly, I didn't tell the price of the book. Okay. The price of the book is 500 rupees, and it comes with the account opening free. we charge 750 rupees for account opening from Kotak Securities because there's stamp paper duty and all. We are waiving it off along this book. So there's a value buy. You actually gain minus 250 on this book. So that's how you have to pick the stock. Yeah, that's our customers. We are going to special discounts.
We do have a special discount today. You have a 10% discount on this book, and you also get a 750 rupees of free voucher to open a DMAT account with Kotak. And if you are a Reliance Timeout Book Club member, you get an additional 5% discount on the book. So as Mr. Gopkumar said, one of the ways to push up the stocks is to buy this book. So you can pick up your copy of the book and build at our store. And thank you so much, Mr. Gopkumar and Mr. Shrikant Chauhan, for being with us here today. We would also like to thank the publisher CNBC TV 18 for making this event possible with us. A special thanks to Kotak Securities, all the customers who are present with us here today. So thank you so much.
Okay,